Today I'm going to be doing an Echo Show 15 unboxing for you guys. Retails for $300, and again I have the 15, which is 15 inches. They also have a 21 inch, but I thought that might be too big. See, behind me I have this huge chalkboard, and this is going to be replacing that. I currently have the Google Home. I think this is the smallest one you can get, but it doesn't have nearly as many features as the Echo. Go ahead and get into the unboxing. So I was correct. This is the second generation. Setup guide.
Hello, ready for setup. Would you like to turn on vision accessibility features? Swipe right or left to hear the options.
So as you can see, it's already registered to my Amazon account. So you just need to put your password in. It gives you the option when you order it to pre-register it to your account, or if it's for someone else, you would just put no. So now we are on to choose photo display. You can upload your own photos and display them on the Echo Show. I will probably end up doing that, but for now I'm going to just choose seasonal. Your appointments, their reminders, everyone's Alexa. Set up a profile for you and each of your family members, and Alexa will keep track of it all. I'm going to set this up later. I'm going to turn side opt out. Listen to audiobooks, podcasts, and more with Audible. It's offering a 30-day free trial. I'm going to say no thanks. Okay, set up your Fire TV experience. Okay, so we're going to pick YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus. We have Max, Peacock, Paramount Plus, Prime. I think that's it. Continue. Now we're going to pair the remote. Press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. Connect. Let's tap it. Alexa, add milk.
Milk added to your shopping list. You can find it in your Alexa app.
Alexa, add yogurt.
I added yogurt to your shopping list.
Okay, so let's get out of shopping list. Now let's see calendar. So I'm assuming I need to go into the Alexa app and set this all up. Introducing widgets. So if you scroll from the top, it's your little menu bar. You have home, settings, do not disturb, brightness. Let's turn the brightness up. You have notifications, alarms, widget gallery, photo frame, communicate, music, smart home, Fire TV, routines, and active media. Let's see what photo frame. Oh, nice. So you can scroll through some. I think this is seasonal because I selected seasonal. I'm just gonna leave it on this for now. Hey Alexa, open Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
You could tell her, or your remote also has the Netflix button. And I'm assuming I'm gonna have to log in and set that up. Yeah, you do. So, and then go back home, scroll down, just hit home. And again, I think a lot of the setup is going to be on the Alexa app. If you guys have any questions or would like to see more, just please ask below in the comments. And that was it. I will probably give an update in a few weeks to let you know my thoughts on this and if it has been functional. But again, thank you for watching.